Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing Quant Network, shocking the world. It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. And folks, you can also check out the official crypto growth partners for the exchange. We've got MEXC. You can follow the link in the description box below for rebates, bonuses, offers, discounts, and lowest fees. So do check it out. And as far as the wallet is concerned, we've got Decent. They've got their biometric wallet, which has got an attractive $50 off. And you can also check out their biometric wallet 2x package, guys, which has got a phenomenal $129 off only if you follow the link in the description box below. By the way, folks, Decent supports 3000 plus of your favorite coins and tokens, and it supports 50 plus blockchain mainnets. Anyways, let's see what's happening with QNT. We are finally above the $100 mark. We have tested it out. We were hoping that it will come soon, but finally we're above that crucial psychological level, that is $100. Obviously, back and forth we broke through it, and it comes back and forth to this level again and again. 95, 100, 105. So this happens, but I think that we are finally at a price in time that in the attraction point, the magnet zone of Quant Network, that is $100. And I think that this will remain a substantial and crucial support level for times to come. Let's see how it goes. Anyways, look at this. This is 34 minutes ago. This from Crypto Nerd. QNT doing a healthy retest of the obvious SR flip level, the support resistance, by the way, SR flip level. This dip will be bought quicker than you think. And yes, this is what I'm talking about, that whenever that resistance is tested out, it goes back and forth. So when we tested that $100 level, there's going to be volatility that is expected, but hopefully things will stabilize. I'm telling you right now, this is the last time you will ever be able to buy QNT under $100. Once the weekly close in the next 11 hours, it's gonna send like hypersonic. Awesome. Look at this. Okay, in real time, I think when we tested that $100 mark, we almost went to the 103, 105, this level, and then a small dip over here. I think this is a retest over here, and soon I think we will be above this $100 level, and I think that this will remain a crucial psychological support and a technical support as well for QNT. And let's hope that this post is correct. Crypto Nerd is correct, that we won't see this level, the $100 level again. Hopefully it flies. Let's see. This is 3 hours ago. Musty 96. QNT looking so bullish on the monthly RSI, the relative strength index crossover. If we can close a daily candle over the $112, we will 3 to 4x in only a few days, because we break down the downtrend. On the 4 hours, we are in an ascending triangle with 70% probability to break out. Awesome. Look at this. The RSI crossover. You know when this and other technicals align, bullish technicals, what happens? Okay, and overall the bullish sentiment in the air as well. This is Mine Crypto. QNT further declined. Spot exchange reserves now down to 202.9K exchange reserves, by the way. So this is a good thing. The spot exchanges, this means that people are buying it, from what I can at least decode. This is awesome. So yeah, look at this tokenizer. Last cycle QNT ran to $400. It was largely out of speculation, and yes, it was mostly out of hype and speculation. We had SIA and LEC Chain and Oracle. This time what we have is UK getting ready for tokenized bonds. These are the fundamentals. This is the reality that is happening in the background, and this is what drives sentiment out in terms of speculation as well, hype as well, and in terms of eventual utility and use case as well that QNT has the potential to pull off. UKRLN as an example for global fintechs, multiple CBDCs inspired of Rosalind ISO/TC 307 subgroups finalizing end of year, by the way, EOY, recognized as key player in RLN alongside R3. So R3 is a brand, and the QNT out of the projects in the industry, in the crypto industry, it is one of those that is indeed making a name for itself in terms of partnerships, in terms of networking, much more substance around this time, and it is lining up perfectly with the market picking up. On top of this, the world of institutional finance is moving closer towards CBDCs and regulations. The funny thing is that Quant didn't just pivot to CBDCs because it was the new trend. They've been here long before it was cool and trendy. This is true. A lot of other projects are now trying to cash onto the CBDCs hype, and that the central banks are involved in it, the governments are involved with it. But Quant did it before it was cool. I agree with it. Quant was has the first mover advantage, and you know how it goes in this industry. Despite Ethereum being slow, having high fees, and whatever the cons are, it be having that first mover advantage is what that matters at the end of the day. Up until this point, it has captured a significant portion of the market cap due to being the first mover. So, in terms of CBDCs and utility, Quant has been that mover. So, where do we go now with all that has happened? I'll let you do the math on all that's been added. Awesome. QNT stack equals the infrastructure of the internet, the roads for the new vehicle of finance to drive on. So different uh, uh, statements, and I think that these are title. These are really good for the title of this video as well. I will think and see which title fits best. Let's see. Anyways, let me show you other posts as well. This is from Laura. QNT is 56x cheaper than XRP. Recent projects with Bank of International Settlements, 63 central banks, Regulated Liability Network, R3, Barclays, Citi UK, HSBC UK, Lloyds, MasterCard, NatWest, Nationwide, Santander, Standard Chartered, Virgin, Visa, and Bank of England. Now, despite the controversies or whether you like these institutions or not, these financial institutions or not, these are the ones driving the financial global economy, and Quant being associated with them is, I think, one of the biggest points of legitimacy that can happen, guys. To be honest, it doesn't get bigger than these names. You know that Visa, Mastercard, Standard Chartered, HSBC, Barclays, R3. Despite if someone likes it or not, I know the decentralization maxis. They say that these projects like Quant or XRP, they are basically decoupling from the true ethos of this industry. But who has said that? I mean, if these projects want to bridge the gap or optimize these industries, I think that it is a noble approach as well, because we already know that these institutions have consolidated their grips in the financial system. And if projects like QNT and XRP optimize it and make life easier for the people, then I think it is a noble cause. Because when we discussed the Stellar video, when we discussed Stellar XLM, in time and again I've said that they are collaborating with the UNHCR, the United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees, and how refugees can benefit from this vision of XLM that is serving the underserved and making the financial system more inclusive. So let's hope that people benefit at the end of the day. Let's see how it goes. Pardon me. Greg Lunt, $100 QNT doesn't excite me, not even a little. Yes, we've bounced off the lows, but this is a whisper compared to what's coming. In the next 5 years, QNT will flip XRP. Okay, so Greg is extremely bullish when it comes to QNT. He's saying that it will even flip XRP. Its token price will be tied to billions of DLT transactions taking place every day. Overledger will underpin the Finternet, a decentralized financial internet connecting all regulated money networks. The potential for QNT to hit 5 figures is not a pipe dream, it is simply a natural evolution of its utility. I mean, this is also great statement for title, natural evolution of utility. I mean, of its utility or of utility. I mean, I really like these posts. They are so creative. This is not speculation. Only 14.88 million QNT tokens exist, two-thirds of the supply of BTC. When Overledger is the backbone of the global financial system, $100 will feel like a rounding error. And if you're overly excited today, you might actually lack the vision to see the token's true potential make manifest. Be careful celebrating a puddle when you're standing at the edge of an ocean. I agree with one statement. I think that this is a double-edged sword. Sometimes when you sell something and its value is actually really high, you regret it. But sometimes when a price point hits and you do not sell it and it dips and dips further, I mean, that hurts as well. So everyone should be researching well into what they are investing into, whether it is Quant or any other project, and set their targets to what they plan from the projects, what they hope from the project. Like Greg over here, he sees QNT as something really bigger than just $100. So he's clear when it comes to the vision. Look at this. QNT will shock the world, judging from rapid growth of C-level management involved in quadrillion-dollar initiatives and delivering no inflation. $400 is just the start. Okay, Sebastian over here says that QNT is now slowly eating this ask short resistance wall up. There's a bit of technical again. In my opinion, it is only a matter of time before the market makers push QNT through this and we experience another pump assisted by a short squeeze. Anyways, folks, what do you guys think about QNT shocking the world and becoming that natural evolution that people hope that it will eventually achieve and evolve into? I would really like your opinions. Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.